Cut then update. Yung post ni Aden sa kanyang TikTok account. Sabi ni Aden, maybe this time will make that future happen. Yun, no? Hashtag Hello Love Again. Sumayaw pa nga si Aden at Catherine ng maybe this time dance challenge. Nagigil na si Ethan at Joy sumayaw. Kami naman, gigil na panood yung movie nyo na Hello Love Again. Ito yung sayaw nila ng Kathleen. Yung kit nila sumayaw. Sayaw. Sila Ethan at Joy. Ayan, no? Dance series, ang Kathleen. Gigil eh. Kathleen yun. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.